Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is super special. That little face you see is my beautiful daughter Jaden, and we wanted to come and show you her back to school style. So I'm not really sure about other 9-year-olds, but Jaden is very opinionated when it comes to her hairstyles. She's really like past the point of, wanting beads and all that type of stuff. So we're in that in-between stage where it's like, I want to still give her kid-friendly styles, but not too kiddie-ish. So if that makes sense. So we went ahead and we decided to do box braids because she's been asking for box braids for the longest. And then I've been on this stitch braid kick. So we did box braids in the back with stitch braids in the front. So I do have other tutorials showing both of these methods, the box braids and the stitch braids. I will be sure to link those in the description below. This video here, guys, is not necessarily a tutorial, but I did make sure to get some close-up clips and to leave them in real time like you see right here. Well, guys, I'm going to go ahead and let you finish watching the rest of this video. Be sure to watch until the end as I do have some bonus styling options. I hope your children have a blessed school year. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, guys, God bless. Enjoy.
In the craziest places, I won't slow down until I meet